Good morning, dear children. How was your vacation? I hope all of you have enjoyed your vacation, right? And you are safe at home. So let's start a new chapter from physics, chapter 4, heat. Before entering into this chapter, let us discuss some basic points. Now tell me, what kind of clothes do we wear during winter season? Yes, we wear woolen clothes. Why do we wear woolen clothes? Because it keeps our body warm. And what kind of clothes do we wear during summer season? Yes, we wear cotton clothes because it keeps our body cool. And from where do we get cotton? Yes, we get cotton from cotton plants. So in our daily life there are number of objects which are cold, hot or warm. If we talk about ice cream, it is cold. If we talk about juice, when it is kept inside the refrigerator, it is cold. If we talk about hot cup of tea, it is hot. If you talk about the handle of frying pan, when your mother cooks the food, the handle of frying pan becomes hot. So how do we able to understand whether it is cold or hot? What do? We used to touch that object and we say yes, it is hot or it is cold. So whether this sense of touch is reliable or not, let us understand with the help of an activity.
To show that sense of touch is not a very perfect way to measure heat. So let us understand this with the help of an experiment. Things required 3 bowls, normal water, warm water and cold water. Label the bowl as A, B and C. Put warm water in bowl A, cold water in bowl B and normal water in C. Dip one hand in bowl A and other hand in bowl B. After a few minutes, remove both the hands from bowl A and B and put them in bowl C. We will observe that the hand that was in cold water feels warm, while the hand that was in warm water feels cold. So it is really very difficult to make out whether the water in bowl C is actually hot or cold. So this shows that touch is not a very reliable way of measuring the hotness or coldness of an object. So how do we measure the hotness or coldness of the object? That we will study in detail in next class.
Dear students, I have attached the URL video and notes. So all of you please copy the notes in your notebook and there will be a test paper. So all of you please attend the test paper and post it in time. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.